Tribute baseball tonight. Tomorrow night we'll do some more Bowman draft. I think we've got some high-tech football coming in tomorrow too, or high-tech baseball. We've got Bowman draft, got high-tech baseball, and then I believe another case of Treasures football should be here tomorrow. Mets, Tom Seaver, base for the Mets. Got Johnny Bench for the Reds. And your first auto is number 275. Diamondbacks, Luis Gonzalez. Luis Gonzalez for the Diamondbacks, 75. Got a Phillies, Steve Carlson. Steve Carlson for the Phillies. Got a Big Mac for the Cardinals, Mark McGuire. And got a jumbo jersey, number 50. That's on the ticker. This guy hit his 4th home run today. Boston's Dustin Pedroia. Dustin Pedroia, number 50 for the Red Sox. Got an Orioles, Luis Aparicio for the Orioles. Got Indians, Roberto Alomar. Roberto Alomar for the Indians. And a pinstriped jersey, number 75. Diamondbacks, Randy Johnson. Randy Johnson for the Diamondbacks, 75. Got a Yankee, Lou Gehrig for the Yanks. Got a Billy Hamilton for the Reds. Your auto is a Yankee, number 289, it looks like. For the Yankees, Paul O'Neill. Paul O'Neill for the Yankees, number 89. Got a White Sox, Chris Sale. He's facing the Royals tomorrow night. Chris Sale for the White Sox. Got Seattle's Felix Hernandez. King Felix. Got a bat card, number 75 for the Brewers, Paul Molitor. Paul Molitor, 75 for the Brewers. Last pack, box 1, should have our last auto. It's a good auto, too. This guy hit a home run today as well. Andre Dawson in an Expos uniform, which moved to Washington. So the Washington Nationals. Andre Dawson for the Nats. Got this one, number 299, Roberto Alomar for the Indians. 299. Roberto Alomar. This one is number 289. Number 289 for the White Sox, Jose Abreu. Let's get out of the White Sox. Jose Abreu, finishing box number 1. Jose Abreu. Box number 2, Tribute. And then we'll have about, 5-8 minutes, and we'll work on Treasures football. Got a Micah Walker. St. Louis Cardinals. Got a Cubs rookie, Jorge Soler. Soler for the Cubs. Then you get a jersey card, number /50, going to the Atlanta Braves. Pitcher, Greg Maddux. Greg Maddux for the Braves, number /50. Orioles, Manny Machado. Got a Albert Pujols for the Angels. And then this one is number 289 in a Montreal Expo uniform. Moved to the Nationals, Vladimir Guerrero, going to the Washington Nationals. Vlad Guerrero, going to the Nats. Houston's at Nolan Ryan. We got a big patch. Nolan Ryan for the Houston Astros. And a patch card, number /25, barely 3-colored. Number 25, Tampa Bay's Evan Longoria. Evan Longoria, number /25 for the Tampa Bay Rays. Got a Mariano for the Yanks. Got a Tampa Bay's Evan Longoria. Then you got a rookie, number /189 for the Washington Nationals. Michael Taylor. Michael Taylor for the Washington Nationals. Royals, Bo Jackson. Got number /50 for the Yanks, so Wade Boggs. Number /50, Wade Boggs. And you got a pinstripe, number /150. The captain, Derek Jeter. Derek Jeter, number /150 for the Yankees. Last pack for your last auto. Got Dodgers, he's pitching tonight, Clayton Kershaw. Got a rookie Red Sox, Rusty Castillo. Rusty Castillo for the Red Sox. And we'll finish with an Oakland Athletic, number /25. Half of the Bash Brothers. Oakland Athletics, Jose Canseco. Number /25, Jose Canseco for the Oakland Athletics. Finishing the tribute baseball tonight.